Hi there! Today we're going to do a lovely little picture. I have got the Kuretake, the Art Nouveau set. These are watercolour paints, and I am going to add some lovely lush pinks and purples to this page. It's cold pressed watercolour paper that I've got taped down, and we're just adding these lovely colours. Just sweeping them across the page. And then you'll need to let that dry. And then I'm grabbing some more of the purple, the colour that we've already put down. And I've got a large brush and we're just going to let it drip down the page. How exciting is this? So just adding a bit more colour and a little bit more water and letting it drip. I've got a little tissue there and I'm just wiping up the excess. And then just adding a little bit more to the edge there, letting it drip down the page. Again, I'm going to be mopping that up, making sure that it's not going to run all over the place. And then I've decided to grab some of this lovely red colour. So we're going to make this one drip just down the page there. So let that dry. And once it's dry, we're grabbing the same colours that we've already used. And we are just going to paint on top. So I've done some round balls and then a squiggly kind of pattern here. I've got a medium-sized brush to add all of these lovely shapes. A little bit more of a round ball there. And then a big round ball that's in the corner there. It's sort of part of that round ball. So just adding that there. And then just adding them to this mass that's in the right-hand bottom corner. Then I've grabbed a pinky kind of purple and I'm adding some leaf shapes onto the page there. Just making sure that they're all on there and they're sort of behind these globes. You can see I'm just putting them in there. And another one there. And one just here. So wherever you want to put them on. And this is fun. You're just grabbing the brush with some colours on and flicking it onto the page. So I'm now adding some small little circles and then I'm going to let the page dry. Once the page is dried, I have got a fine liner and I'm just outlining all of the shapes I can see because I want them to pop off the page. So I want to make them a little bit more bold. So if you outline them all, it gives them that sort of shadow gap and it just defines them away from the initial base colours. So outlining all of these here. So I hope you like this. If you like this, maybe you consider liking, subscribing. Maybe you leave me a comment. Let me know what colours you're going to use. Do you like this? Is this something that you'll try? I would love to hear from you. What's your art journey been like? So just leave me a comment and that'd be great. If you do get a chance and you like this video, you can also hype it, and that's in the comments section. You just scroll across, there's a hype button, you press that and it tells YouTube that people like the video and it just pushes it out to further people. Once you've outlined with your black, then grab a white pen. It could be a Posca pen. I've got Uniball broad pens here in white, various sizes. And I'm just mark making on top of these shapes. So I'm just doing a squiggly kind of line shape there and some lines coming down from that corner there and then just the top bit there, just some squiggly kind of shapes. And then I decided, well, I'll add some leaf shapes. So I'm just putting some veins into these leaves here. And just layering on. You can see there it's sort of going round and round in a circle to get these shapes on. You might not want that pattern, you may want a different pattern, and that's fine. Whatever pattern pops into your head, just get it down on the page. And the white works very well against this dark green colour. So you can really see that white popping off the page. I now have a members page and I have some videos that are members only. And then I have other videos that are members first. So if you have a look, if you're on a laptop, you can see the join button. I think it would be just below this. And you can have a look in there, exactly what you get if you become a member. So I'd love to see you on that page. That would be great. And you can see all the lovely new videos that come out if you'll remember. To make the white pop a little bit better, I've grabbed the black fine liner and I'm just outlining. So that just gives it that shadow gap again, and it just makes that white, pull it forward so it's a little bit more, so you can see that lovely white colour. Just gives it that nice boldness. You might like it just as it is, and that's fine, whatever floats your boat really. Don't worry if you don't like what I'm doing. You can always get a different colour pen and add some colour around, and that would look rather nice. Anything that pops into your mind, just get it down onto the page. So then I've decided that there are some leaves in the background, and I've grabbed the black fine liner and I'm just adding those leaf shapes in. So just drawing the lines round and putting all of those veins in that background there. I love a bit of doodle art. It's just so relaxing to do. You're really in the moment, just having a really nice time, just looking for lines, imagining shapes, and just adding them here and there. And it really brings the picture and brings it all together to make a lovely piece of art. So I'm just filling in. I can see there is a little flower shape behind there, so I missed that out, so I'm just adding the white there. And then when I've finished doing all the doodling, I've heated up the tape and I'm just pulling away that tape, and then I'll pull the picture up to the camera so you can see in a little bit more detail, and you can see all the lovely little dots that are on there, all the lovely background details, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye!